Hello, I'm Andy. Today we're going to steam some oysters with some Sacha sauce, which is the Taiwanese version of satay. Okay. I'll sprinkle some white pepper powder on each of them, just a bit. And then a little bit of noodles or Taiwanese vermicelli. Just enough to cover the oysters. It's good enough. And then, this one is a Malaysian barbecue sauce. It's not really, it's a very specific sauce, but they can only translate it into barbecue sauce with this, and it's called Bullhead. That's the brand. There are smaller cans if you don't want to buy so much. Don't do too much, because actually I used to make the mistake of doing too much, and when there's too much, for some reason your tongue just ignore the flavor, like it's too strong. But if it's a little bit, then you can really feel the flavor. High heat and it's steaming hot, right? We put it in. These ones, we'll just do 8 minutes as usual. So timer for 5 minutes. Then we'll leave 3 minutes to heat up the oil. Okay, so that was 5 minutes. Now we'll heat up some oil. Okay, ready. And then heat off. Now put our a little bit of shallot, bit of garlic, Okay. Take it out first, doesn't matter. Take it out. And then we add soy sauce first. A bit of soy sauce. Green onions. Okay. See if it's still too hot for me to put it up. Good. Oh. I'm scared to burn my tongue. Put it just bad, I think I need more soy sauce. Another one.
In summary, my steamed oysters with Sacha sauce looks like the ones a seafood restaurant would serve. It tastes really good, but the sauce is a bit on the heavier side. I like the Hong Kong style steamed oyster a bit more, given that the oysters were really fresh. But if the oysters were not as fresh, this would be better. It looks quite fancy. You have to eat it almost immediately or as soon as it doesn't burn your mouth. It is not really scalable except for the steaming part. I saved about 30% making this at home. It takes about an hour for prepping and cleaning after. In terms of techniques, it requires steaming and heating up some oil. It has 6 ingredients, all easily found in any grocery stores. You just need to find the oysters, and the Sacha sauce should be available in any Asian market. You kind of need an oyster knife to open the oysters. You can make as little as 1 each time, and it takes about 15 minutes to make it. Finally, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.